No, sir, don't arrest us, sir. Yep. She's offline. Can you arrest me, sir, ma'am? Lee Bobby.
Anh nhịp ú.
Ngoài vừa có xe tuần tra nó về đấy nhá, em trước đấy, đứng trước cổng này. Đấm đi, đấm vào nó đi, không đéo đấm đi.
Ang ina mo, bobo ka ba? Ngayon ka lang hihingi ng ID?
Napatay ka ba
You
kanina?
arrested me and then
Đấm đi, đấm đi.
just how to, do you know how to?
Ui, thì có tao đi thôi.
Chết rồi, chết rồi.
Habol.
Đừng chị gái ơi, đừng làm thế mà. Em không có đi tù đâu.
Do your job properly.
Cái lòng má. Tôi mà tao đi tù rồi.
You arrested me and then just now. You just
Tôi làm
want
quên
my
quả đấy
ID.
nha, mình đi Long ơi.
Fuck you, I don't want to give you my ID. You're stupid. You are police. You are stupid police. You don't know how to work properly. You arrested me first. You arrested me first. You arrested me first and then now you're just asking my ID. Are you stupid? Do you know how to do your job? You arrested me first. I will report you. You are police.
You want to sell the GTR?
Be a cadet first. You don't know how to be a police. You are stupid. You you arrested me first and then you ask my ID. Are you stupid?
What?
You are stupid. I have you on record.
哎，我想亲你，我想亲你。哎，我求你了，求你了，能不能让我亲一口？求你了。
中国人在哪里？中国人。
Police. You don't know how to do your work properly. Hey, just retire. Shut the fuck up. You don't know how to do your work properly.
Mày mà chó ấy
Shut
săn
the
good.
fuck up. Retire.
À,
Go retire. You don't know how to be a
lòng người
police.
đánh em
You're
đi đâu rồi.
stupid. Don't talk to me. I don't want to show you my ID. Ulul tang ina mo. Ulul. Fuck. Hey, hey, hey. Do you know how to do your work properly? You arrested me first, and then you want to show me. You want me to show my ID to you just now? Are you stupid? You don't know how to be a police. You didn't say anything, and then you just handcuffed me. And then just now, you just want my police retire. You are not. You don't know how to be a police. Shut the fuck up. Put me in jail now. I don't need your. I don't need your explanation. You're not a good police. You don't know how to do your work properly.
Nó cho vào tù rồi.
Show you my
Oh, hai
ID.
người nghe không? Đâu ơi?
Mơ thằng chó chung.
You're stupid.
Oh, hai người nghe đâu ơi?
Mày. Chị ơi, xinh
Của
xinh đâu thằng
mình
chó cái đi.
chẳng thì đắng thà
In front of me.
của cứ ai.
I will kill you when I see you. Just put me in jail.
Cho tù mát không em?
Anh có chìa khóa không?
Mẹ nó nhốt tao luôn rồi bây giờ.
Anh vào phần ba lô ấy.
Nó nhốt tao luôn rồi.
Anh vào phần ba lô xong rồi anh ấn vào cái anh thấy có cái chìa khóa không?
I don't want.
Xong anh ấn
Fuck
vào.
you, fuck you, fuck police,
Fuck you, bro. Fuck you.
fuck you
See?
police,
You don't know what are you going to give me?
fuck you police, fuck you,
Be a cadet
fuck
first.
you, fuck you.
You don't know.
Shut the fuck up, bro.
area or I will arrest you. Sorry.
Nhà tè nó đánh tao.
You just need the help
Long
from
ơi, ngồi nghỉ
McBurn.
tí đi Long. Anh em ngồi nghỉ tí làm của ảnh gửi
Jail
nhóm này.
me. Jail me. You don't know how to be a police. Just jail me.
Hey, come here, come here.
Mà
And
quả
then
này em
retire.
cục xương rồi em
Okay?
ơi.
Go
Anh
retire.
vào phần ba lô ấy, anh ấn anh vào phần ba lô anh rút xuống. Anh thấy cái thẻ mà nó có cái ổ khóa ấy, anh ấn vào xong anh dùng là được thoát.
Ok em ơi.
Anh thử đi.
Bobo Ben.
Man, Betty, we have a new macro, so you need to change your macros again. The violation now is changed.
Retire. Had on. Retire. You don't know how to be a police. Just retire.
不能说中文。
Okay, retire.
Hello, Black Monkey.
Lost warning. Tang ina mo, bobo.
Hả?
Hey, why you keep on repeating your macros? Just retire. You don't know how to be a police.
Just gave up on her, bro.
I don't care about your final warning. I don't want you to show my ID.
She's not gonna listen to you. Just give up.
Shh. Just jail me. What are you doing? Can you retire? You don't know how to do your work. Just retire. You're not gonna be you're not gonna be a general. You're Tama ka. You're not gonna be a you're not gonna be a general. You don't know how to do your work properly. You just need a company from Betty. What the fuck? Just jailed me. I don't wanna listen to you. Shut the fuck up. I don't want to show you my ID. Keep on repeating that. Hey, I don't want to show you my ID, okay? Yeah, just jail me. Wala kang kwentang tanga ka. Di mo alam trabaho mo. Tatanong ka pa sa mas mababa sa'yo. You're asking for a help for someone that has lower rank than you? What the fuck? Quit your job.
Nga, sis Jana gay.
You're asking for a help
She's gonna make you cry, bro.
a police who is lower rank than you? What the fuck? Are you really a police?
Huwag mo naman paiyakin yan, pinapaiyak mo.
Anjing.
Wih, ini kenapa kan dok? Enggak, kita ngapain, Cok?
Retire.
Perang,
You
perang.
don't know how to be a
Lucu kan gak
police.
jelas admin.
You're calling a help from a
Ya,
lower rank than you. You are stupid.
Admin bodoh nih.